बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर स्टूडेंट। फिज़िक्स मुश्किल नहीं लेकिन कमज़ोर कॉन्सेप्ट इसको मुश्किल बना देती है। लेट ट्राई करें कि आप इसमें कितने एमसीक्यूज़ को सॉल्व कर सकते हैं। MCQ number 1. In simple harmonic motion, if amplitude double the maximum restoring force becomes same, double, 4 times या half. The correct option is double. MCQ number 2. Mass spring system has frequency f. If mass is quadrupled, k is constant, new frequency is f over 2, f over 4, 2f या 4f. The correct option is f over 2. MCQ number 3. For a wave, if frequency doubles and speed constant, wavelength double, half, quadruples या unchanged. The correct option is half. MCQ number 4. Transverse waves cannot propagate in solids, liquids, gases या vacuum. The correct option is gases. MCQ number 5. In refill tank, why do waves slow down in shallow water? Decrease wavelength, speed reduces, frequency changes, amplitude increases या reflection. The correct option is decreased wavelength. Due to this, the speed reduces. MCQ number 6. Why does a tuning fork produce sound in air but not vacuum? Due to mechanical wave need medium या frequency zero या amplitude infinite या electromagnetic. The correct option is mechanical wave need medium. MCQ number 7. Graph of displacement versus time in simple harmonic motion is sinusoidal, parabolic, linear या exponential. The correct option is sinusoidal. MCQ number 8. Why is simple harmonic motion acceleration maximum at extreme? Due to maximum displacement या velocity zero या energy minimum या force zero. The correct option is due to maximum displacement. MCQ number 9. In reflection, if angle of incident increases, angle of reflection is increases equally, decreases या stay constant या doubles. The correct option is increases equally. MCQ number 10. Which physics law states the extension of a spring is proportional to the tension stretching it? Hooke's law या Newton's second law या Avogadro law या Stephan law. The correct option is Hooke's law. MCQ number 11. What kind of lens does a magnifying glass use? Concave, convex, both या none. The correct option is convex lens. Thank you.